sweets! In today's tutorial is going to be the second episode of using my Ipsy bag and my BOXYCHARM in combination to do my makeup. But in these two bags, I got as well something for my daily routine, which are two masks. I'm gonna show it to you in the process of doing this video. Let's right jump to it. I'm gonna start with my BOXYCHARM and using Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. It says to apply it only in the areas that you needed it. So I'm applying it in my T-zone. The time that it needed to dry, it has already passed. It is around 10 minutes later. And I didn't know that this will dry as it does a clay mask. So let's just rinse this off. Now let's see if it did something to my pores. I can appreciate that they are not showing as much and my skin looks a little more smoother in the areas that I have a little bit of a trouble. So far so good. I really like that mask. Now let's go to the second mask that I'm gonna use today. This one came in my Ipsy bag. It is from the brand Biorace. It is a pore tightening pearl clay mask. So this is going to dry as well with the tightness and the dryness that usually comes with a clay mask. It looks like a regular clay mask. The mask has already dried. I look like a ghost. Whoa, I haven't seen my face since I haven't seen my face since I have applied this and I look like a ghost. But back on the video, the time had already passed for the mask to do its thing. So now I'm gonna rinse it off. It has to be with lukewarm water and I have to really clean my face. I already have done part of my base. Since I'm gonna use the highlighter that I got in my BOXYCHARM. This is the Tartiest Pro Glow liquid highlighter. I have to apply it before I set my face, and I'm gonna apply it in the high points of my face, which is my cheeks, a little bit in the bridge of my nose, in my cupid's bow, and a little bit of the rest that I have in my finger on top of my eyebrows. I'm gonna use my Sephora Pro 57 brush to blend it. And first I'm gonna blend my cheeks. Well, I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna use a sponge for the blending part because I don't like how it blends and is lifting a little bit my foundation. That I don't like that. So maybe I have to do this in some other way, not using it on top of my foundation. Maybe I have to mix it with my foundation, so that I will try and I will let you know if I like it, because if you ask me right now, I don't like it. So let me wet my sponge. I'm gonna use my Physician Formula's little sponge, but so far I don't like this highlighter because it's literally lifting my foundation and it dries really fast, and I didn't know that either. So when you apply it, you have to blend it fast. My eyebrows are almost done, and now I'm gonna use the tinted brow gel with microfibers from the Brow Gal that I got in my BOXYCHARM. So far I like it. It has this little brush. First, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows upwards, and the tail of it I'm gonna do downwards. And now I'm gonna set a little bit the hairs. In my Ipsy bag, I got a liquid highlighter from the Trust Fund Beauty. It is called that Liquid Glow though, in the color Lit. I didn't use it because I used the one from my BOXYCHARM that I didn't like. So in the next video, I'm going to use this one and I'm going to make a reference to this video so you can actually know from where I got this highlighter. In my Ipsy bag, I didn't get anything for doing an eye look. I got something in my BOXYCHARM, and it is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette. I like the packaging of it. I need another palette to combine with this one because every color here, it is either foil, metal, or satin. And I need a matte one to start my eye look. I can't do an eye look with all shimmering colors. So I'm gonna start the eye look. And when I'm ready to use the ColourPop palette, I'm gonna come back and show it to you. In my Ipsy bag, I got this Vasanti concealer buffer brush. I didn't use it to blend my concealer. That was my bad. I'm gonna use it to do the first part of my eye look. I'm not gonna say which color or from which palette I'm using the colors. I'm just gonna show you how I use the brush. And you can actually use this to apply your shadow because so far so good. It really does the job well. So my eyes are almost done, and now I'm going for the ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette, and I think that I'm gonna use this one, which is kind of a rose champagne color, and I'm gonna apply it with my finger because usually this type of shadows they apply better with your finger, and I wasn't mistaken. Definitely it is. It looks awesome. And now we're going for the other eye. I'm just doing tapping motions to blend where the two colors meet. I'm gonna finish the rest of my top eye look, and I'm gonna start the bottom because I think I'm gonna use another color from the palette to do my bottom part. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back. The eye look is almost done. So I'm going back to the palette, and I'm gonna use this like orangey golden color for my bottom part. I'm gonna apply just a little bit near the end of my, well, actually not the end, the beginning of my bottom lashes. And I'm doing this with my Crown Chisel shader brush. For my inner corner, I'm going with this white chromatic color, and I'm gonna apply with my Crown pencil brush. I think I'm gonna put on top of that one this white silvery color as well. For my brow bone, I'm gonna apply just a touch of the first white, which is the chromatic one. And I'm gonna do it as well with the pencil brush. Just a touch. For lips, I have two options. I got one in my BOXYCHARM and I got the other one in my Ipsy bag. For my BOXYCHARMs, I got this Adesse High Definition Liquid Lip in whatever. And I don't know which color because it doesn't say anywhere, either in the box or in the liquid lip. So it is rosy, a little, it's not a nude color, but it's a little bit, kind of. It's this rosy one. And from my Ipsy bag, I got this Smashbox Always on Liquid Lip. This is in the color Misconduct. At least this one has the name of it. So I think I'm gonna apply both of them so I can show it to you. First, I'm going with the light shade, which is the one that I got in my BOXYCHARM. As always, first I draw my Cupid's bow, then the sides, the center first of my bottom part, and now the sides. There. I really like the color. It turns out to be like a nudish, yeah, like a nudish peach color. And I really like this one. And I'm gonna take this one off and I'm gonna apply the Smashbox one. First, I draw my Cupid's bow. Now the sides. Now the center, first for the bottom part, and now the sides. I really like this color and the applicator of this liquid lip. Sometimes with these bold colors, you are a little afraid that you could make a mistake, and this helps you a lot to avoid that. I like both of the lip color, so I cannot choose the two brands. Well, I have never tried Adesse, so I cannot say just for one color that it is a really good brand, but so far with the Nude color is a really good one. And for Smashbox, I have already tried, so I know it is a good brand, but I really love this Vampy color. So sweets, this is a wrap up for this video using my Ipsy bag and my BOXYCHARM in combination. From the BOXYCHARM, I like 4 of the products that I got, but I really dislike, and I tried to give it a second chance to the Tarte Tartiest Pro Glow. It moved my foundation, and I hate that when a product does that. So let me see if I mix it up with my foundation, if it behaves better. If not, I'm gonna throw it away, or either I'm gonna give it to somebody that could actually like this product. And for my Ipsy bag, I couldn't try this Purlisse coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub, but I'm gonna use it today, and I'm gonna let you know in my Instagram account if I did or I didn't like it. I have tried Purlisse in other products, and I have loved each of the products that I have used. And this one, we tried it, which is the mask, the clay mask, and I really like this one. I like the brush that I got from my Ipsy bag. I didn't use it for my concealer, but I use it to start my eye look, which is this Vasanti concealer buffer. I already have to try Vasanti, it's one of my favorite brushes. This wasn't any exception to it, so I really like the brush as well. I didn't try, as I already told you, the Trust Fund Beauty That Liquid Glow Liquid Highlighter, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna let you know as well in my Instagram account if I did like it or not. And I love the Smashbox Liquid Lip. So far, so good. So sweets, this is the wrap up of the video. I love the eye look and how it turns out the makeup as in general. So if you did like it, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.